So let us see some more examples of articles. So as I've already told you, there are 5 special letters in English. These letters are called vowels. So there are 5 special letters in English. Out of the 26 English alphabets, there are 5 special letters and they are called as vowels. So A, E, I, O, U. These are known as vowels. So we have A, apple, arrow, axe. So when we have these vowels beginning, then we use the article an. So an apple, an arrow, an axe. We use the article an before the word. The next we have E, elf, egg, envelope. So it starts with the vowel E. So we add the article an. We say an elf, an egg, an envelope. The next vowel I, ink, insect, igloo. So we use the article an. We say it as an ink bottle, an insect, an igloo. The next O we have orange, octopus, ox. So we use the article an before because it begins with the vowel O. An orange, an octopus, an ox. The next we have U, umpire, umbrella, under. So then we use the article an umpire, an umbrella. The cat is under the chair. So then we use the article an. So these 5 special letters in English are called as vowels. A, E, I, O and U. So let us see words that start with the vowel A. So we have apple, we have ant, alligator, axe, arrow, ankle. So these are words that begin with the vowel A. That is apple, ant, alligator, axe, arrow, ankle. So words that have vowel A in the middle. There are some words that have the vowel A in the middle. That is crab, rat, sack, van, mango, bag. So all these words have the vowel A in the middle. Next we move on to the vowel E. So words that start with the vowel E. Egg, elephant, empty, elbow, envelope, elf. These words begin with the vowel E. Egg, elephant, empty, elbow, envelope, elf. And words that have vowel E in the middle are nest, well, pet, pen, jelly, dress. So all these words have the vowel E in the middle. Next let us see words that have O in the alphabet, the vowel I in the beginning. Inkpot, injection, igloo, ill, insects, inhaler. So these words have the vowel I in the beginning. That is inkpot, injection, igloo, ill, insects, inhaler. And words that have the vowel I in the middle are milk, pin, swing, sip, dish, lips. So these words have the vowel I in the middle. That is milk, pin, swing, sip, dish, lips. So we have seen the 3 vowels, that is A, E and I. Next let us see the vowel I, the words that have vowel O in the beginning. Orange, otter, orchid, omelette, ox, octopus. So all these words have the vowel O in the beginning. Orange, otter, orchid, omelette, ox, octopus. And words that have vowel O in the middle are pot, doll, top, log, boy, frog. So these words have the vowel O in the middle, that is pot, doll, top, log, boy, frog. Let us see words that have the vowel U in the beginning. So we have umpire, underwear, unload, upside down, umbrella, under. So these words have the vowel U in the beginning, that is umpire, underwear, unload, upside down, umbrella and under. And words that have the vowel U in the middle are tub, bulb, truck, drum, nut, pup. So these words have the vowel U in the middle, that is tub, bulb, truck, drum, nut and pup. So these are the 5 special letters in the English alphabet and they are known as the vowels, that is A, E, I and U. So let us do small exercises wherein we have to place the articles, whether it is a, an or the before the words.